Welcome to Africa. The next few slides will offer different resources on the geography of Africa to help you answer the essential question, how did geography shape people's lives? In the next few slides, you will have an introduction, lesson, and wrap-up activity. Complete each introduction, lesson, and wrap-up activity before turning in your assignment into Google Classroom. To start it off, click the Introduction tab to start your first activity. You'll notice here you're looking at a map of Africa's ecosystem. Examine the map of Africa. Look closely at the key in the bottom corner. What do you think the map and key tells us about the geography of Africa and how it impacts the people's lives? I've given you sentence starters to help you form your answer. The first one is, I think the map and key tells us that, and then you would fill it in with your own words. And then the second one is, this impacts the lives of people in Africa by, and then you would add your thoughts there. Pay very close attention to the colors and the key of the map to help you complete this activity. Upon completion, you are ready to start the lesson. You can start the lesson by clicking the Lesson tab at the top. The lesson that you will partake in is called the African landscape. Here are your expectations. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to watch the African landscape GIF to the left from start to finish. You'll know that you've completed the GIF when you start to see a similar scene that you've already seen before. After watching the GIF, click the audio icon in the top right corner to listen to a read aloud of the text, The African Landscape. Or you may choose to read pages 589 and 591 in your textbook. When you are done listening to or reading from your textbook, the final activity is, I want you to create 2 questions that you had about reading or listening to the text, The African Landscape, in the box to the right. You'll notice that when in present mode, there is no box to the right. In order to type into the box on the right, you're going to exit present mode by clicking escape, and then you'll be able to type the 2 questions that you have about what you learned about the African landscape. After you've typed those 2 questions, you're ready to complete the wrap-up activity. Do so by clicking the wrap-up activity tab at the top. The wrap-up activity for Africa is a scavenger hunt. In order to complete this activity, the first thing you're going to need to do is click the red box of the lock to begin your scavenger hunt. This will take you to a site called flippity.net. You'll notice that there are a total of 6 locks when you click the red box. Each lock will pose a different question in which the answer to that question will unlock the lock. Your task is to unlock all 6 locks to complete the activity. I suggest you use your textbook, pages 589 or through 591, or the audio read aloud to help you find the answers to the locks. Those answers are in the text and they are in the read aloud. So listen or read carefully. When you've completed and unlocked all 6 locks, you are done with this lesson.